Oh, sorry.
Mike, are you in there? I know you're standing right there. I can see your shadow under the door.
It's just not a good time, John.
I just need a moment. Can you spare a moment? Thanks.
Can I get you some tea?
Sure. Thank you. So how you been?
Yeah, I'm all right. You?
About the same.
You done anything fun lately? Or...
Fun, like...
I don't know, just fun, enjoyable. Do you hang out with the guys at all lately?
No. Really just you. Micah, I miss her.
You said you weren't gonna get into this, man.
I know. I'm sorry.
No, I get it. Yeah, I know.
I'm hurting. You know I'm hurting. Be here for me for 5 minutes.
Yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. It's I don't know. It's just like we've talked about it so much about her, and kind of around and around, and it's just like I don't know what else to say. I mean, you need to find a way to move on somehow.
Everything's just been so cold, lifeless, emotionally distant. I don't know.
Hmm. What do you mean by that?
No, sorry, forget it.
No, really. What do you mean by that? You said emotionally distant?
It's like all the emotional weight in the room is on that kettle. You don't have to say it. I know. I'm overtired, stressed.
No, I think you're right. The emotion is on the kettle.
I feel it.
Okay. John, describe to me some of the other things you felt.
Cold, lifeless, like the world were without color. Does that make any sense?
Makes sense.
And at times I felt out of focus and groggy and like I can't align my thoughts into a clear image.
Like, life doesn't make any sense, but it's aesthetic as hell.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I know why you've been feeling these things. I felt it too. We're trapped in an art film.
What?
The pull you feel towards the kettle? That's a cinematographer. They think it'd be artsy to linger on the kettle instead of us like a real person would.
Micah, stop it. You're being crazy. You're just trying to distract from my pain and my suffering.
You're suffering.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. What do you know about her?
Excuse me?
Like, what do you know about her? Like, you know, she makes you sad, you miss her. But who is she? What does she do? Tell me one memory you have of her that doesn't involve something out of focus and without sound.
I can't.
She's your ghost from the past. They say every protagonist needs one. Because it's an art film, they're probably going to tell you as little about her as possible. And I mean, you may not have even met her yet. I mean, nonlinear storytelling is like totally in these days.
What about feeling lifeless and out of focus?
Lifeless and out of focus. They're shooting in black and white. Don't ask me why. And the out of focus feeling, that's again the cinematographer. They're using a lens with a shallow depth of field.
But why?
Because it's art.
Micah, where are you going?
Come on, we have to figure this out.
Why?
Out here.
Oh no. Oh. Micah, we're on a college campus. This is a student film.
Hence all the cliches and the lazy writing.
How are we gonna get out?
I don't know.
Gotta think of something.
Come on. Hold on. John, does something feel off to you?
More than usual?
Yeah, like everything's too tense and the momentum isn't natural.
Yeah, I felt it since we were in your room.
Oh no.
What?
We're in a one take.
Oh god. How long will it last?
I don't know, it could just be for the one shot.
Like The Revenant.
Exactly. Or it could be for the whole film.
Like 1917.
Or Birdman. We gotta go, come on. Ow! 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 They're using shaky cam.
We made it.
For now.
So, how do you know so much about this stuff? Are you a film student?
No. But you are.
What?
Gotta be honest with yourself, John. You need to wake up.
It's the art film.
I was a figment of your imagination the whole time. Or a ghost. Or something. The part of yourself that knew the truth but was too afraid to say it. Ever since you found out the truth about your poor mother. But didn't say anything until it was too late.
Except, you're wrong, Micah. It was me. I've been the ghost the whole time. It was that little bit of you that couldn't rest easy ever since your sister died from that disease.
This damn art film!
Things couldn't get any worse. We're in the dark night of the soul, which means we better find a solution quick and get out of here.
No, that won't work. Art films don't have resolutions like real movies. They think it's artsy to just end it all depressing.
That's dumb.
Tell that to the Oscar short film judges!
What is that? It's been happening a lot lately.
Wait, like a reoccurring motif?
That's it. Every time we talk about the film, that sound happens.
Of course! We're being meta! Art films aren't meta. We're destabilizing the very fabric of the film.
Micah, you're a genius. You're being meta about being meta. If the film is self-aware of its self-awareness,
It'll create a feedback loop.
continuity error.
It's working.
We're going home. Take that art film. Your devices are overrated.
Eraserhead was depressing and made no sense.
I still don't get Fellini.
2001: A Space Odyssey is boring and overrated.
Guardians of the Galaxy is actually a pretty good movie.
Yeah. Who's Ingmar Bergman? I don't know.
I love the Lego movie, okay?
Yes, me too!
Yes! Hey.
Hey.
I am so sorry. Thank you.
Of course.
What's your name?
Non-linear storytelling is like totally in these days.
No. 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 No.